Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to fix a flickering image or lines on the screen of a CCTV camera caused by interference, ground loop issues, faulty cable, or bad power supply. Step-by-step guide to fix flickering or lines on CCTV camera. Step 1. Identify the symptoms. Horizontal or vertical lines on the screen. Flickering only at certain times, for example, night. Does it affect one camera or multiple? This helps narrow down whether it's a single device issue or system-wide, for example, power supply or grounding. Step 2. Power cycle the camera. Turn off the DVR, NVR, and the camera. Wait for 10 seconds, then turn them back on. Temporary glitches sometimes cause flickering. If it stops after reboot, monitor further. Step 3. Check video cables, BNC Ethernet. Inspect the cable from the camera to the DVR, NVR. Look for bends, cuts, rodent damage, or water ingress. If using BNC, analog, replace the cable or test with a known good one. If using Ethernet, IP camera. Check for interference from high-voltage cables or appliances. Tip: use shielded cables for long runs or environments with high interference. Step 4. Eliminate electrical interference. Move or separate cables away from fluorescent lights, motors, compressors, or microwave ovens, power lines or HVAC units. Use ferrite beads on the power or video cable to reduce high-frequency interference. Step 5. Check for ground loop issues. If you're seeing horizontal lines slowly rolling, it may be a ground loop. To fix, use a ground loop isolator between the camera and DVR. Ensure all cameras and DVRs share the same electrical ground. Ground loop issues are common in multi-building installs or when using different power outlets for each device. Step 6. Test or replace power supply. Use a multimeter to check the voltage. Analog cameras, usually 12V DC IP PoE cameras, 48V via PoE switch or injector. Replace with a known good power adapter if voltage is fluctuating or incorrect. Tip: weak or faulty power supplies are a common cause of flickering or noise. Step 7. Swap ports or test with another DVR, NVR. Plug the camera into a different channel on the DVR, NVR. If the flicker persists, it's likely the camera or cable. If it disappears, it may be the DVR port or internal interference. Step 8. Update or reset firmware, IP cameras. Log into the camera via the web interface. Check for any available firmware updates. If all else fails, try a factory reset. Some image processing bugs can be fixed with a firmware refresh. Step 9. Replace the camera. If all other troubleshooting steps fail, try replacing the camera itself. Test using the same cable and port. If the new camera works fine, the old camera was likely defective. Let me know the exact system type, analog or IP, if you want tailored cable diagrams or product suggestions.